Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're analyzing Intel, ticker symbol Intel. We're going to combine our analysis of the recent news with some detailed chart analysis. It is June 16th, 2025, and we'll be using UTC time for everything. First, let's dive into some recent news headlines. Recent news indicates mixed sentiment surrounding Intel. Some analysts maintain a hold rating with an average price target of around $22.42, while others express concerns about competitive threats. However, there's also optimism regarding Intel's long-term potential, especially with its focus on AI and government awards for chip manufacturing. Some sources suggest the future is bright for Intel, while others rate AMD as a better investment, especially for AI chips. Recent news from MarketWatch indicates that Intel, INTC, faces competitive pressures. Now let's move on to the chart analysis. We'll begin with the one-day chart to get a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that Intel has experienced significant volatility over the past year. We saw a major drop around August 2024 down to the $20 price level, and it's still struggling around the $30 level. There are some recent positive price action moments from March and February, but it dropped quickly from these, which suggests strong resistance. Now let's narrow in on recent price action by looking at candles from the start of June 2025. We can see that the stock had a recent run-up in price followed by a large drop on June 11, 2025. This suggests that the $22 is proving to be a strong resistance level. Let's switch to the one-hour chart for a more granular view. Examining the one-hour chart, we can see the recent decline in more detail. The high on June 10th, followed by steady selling pressure culminating in the drop on the 11th. There may be some support forming at the $20 level. We can examine the 15-minute chart to look at this in even further detail. Looking at the 15-minute chart from June 11th onwards, we see increased volume coinciding with the drop, confirming the strong bearish momentum. There looks to be very strong support now between 20 and 20.25. This support might hold as analysts still see potential for growth in Intel, but that positive sentiment may need to increase for it to break through. Overall, the key price levels to watch are the support around $20 to $20.25 and the resistance around $22. A break above $22 could signal a bullish trend, while a sustained break below $20 would suggest further downside. If Intel does well at capturing the AI chip market, we could see a move up to 25 or even 30 over the long term, which analysts seem to agree with their mean price rating. In the short term, it seems more likely we'll see it test the $20 level as support for now and only break below if the broader market has some down days. Keep an eye out for any major news events that may influence the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Explain the Charts.